Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix TikTok following problem. So let's get started the video. TikTok won't let you follow someone if you have reached your daily or total following limit. It's also possible that TikTok is down, the TikTok app has issues, or your internet is causing problems. At first, check your internet connection and make sure you are using the latest version of the apps, and overloading of the TikTok cache might restrict you from following accounts. In this case, clear your TikTok app cache and your issue will likely be resolved. Open your TikTok apps, click on Profile, then click on these three lines. Click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a bit and select Free Up Space. Click on Clear Cache. It might solve your issues. Alternatively, you can uninstall and reinstall the TikTok app if it doesn't allow you to follow accounts. After that, open TikTok and log in and check if you can follow people. If you still can't follow anyone, then you can visit the TikTok website to follow any account you want. If it's still not working, then contact with TikTok support team. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.